Okay, in this video we're going to talk a little bit about how to construct a perpendicular bisector of a segment AB using only these three utensils: compass, straight edge, and a drawing utensil or pencil. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead and choose a compass opening that's more than halfway the distance between A and B, and go ahead and scribe then an arc using that setting. That arc centered both at B and centered at A. And so what we've constructed then is a point, let's say P1, that's equidistant from A and from B. So we know that that point P1 is then on the perpendicular bisector by the perpendicular bisector theorem. All we need is another point that's also on the perpendicular bisector, and we've defined it. So we'll go ahead and scribe an arc centered at A and centered at B that also have the same distance. And that location then gives us a point P2, which is also equidistant from A and from B. Now we know that any point that's equidistant from the endpoints of the segment is on the perpendicular bisector. So these 2 points both being on the perpendicular bisector then define the perpendicular bisector itself. So we'll go ahead and connect those 2 points. And sure enough, it appears that the segment P1, P2 intersects the segment AB at a right angle, and it also perpendicularly bisects that segment into 2 equal segments. If we called this point C, we could say then that CA is congruent to segment CB.